Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol OCGN, Ocgn Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to say hi and welcome to all my first time viewers coming across my channel. Welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. And for all of you that are subscribers, I do want to give you guys all a thank you for always supporting, being encouraging, giving me feedback, and explaining questions to other investors and viewers when they do have some, that you guys take the time of your day to go ahead and speak to them and engage in conversations with one another respectfully and honestly, which that speaks in volumes of what community we're building here. And honestly, my goal is for all of us to learn and grow together and make some money, right? As we watch the certain cues to watch for the next day, and so forth, and see the behavior of these charts. So I want to say thank you to you all. If you guys are prospectively going to become a subscriber or already are a subscriber, just double check if you've clicked on the bell down below at the subscribe button. The reason why I state that is if you hit the bell, you'll be notified on my daily videos and the weekly videos that I do in regards to how the market is doing and why the market collapsed. That a lot of analysts and specialists in the stock market and specifically in charts are stating that there's going to be a crash, but I'm also making those videos weekly in the sense of why the crash is not yet, even though it's projected, it's not yet to come, and why we are being sustained by the Fed. So definitely subscribe. I highly encourage you to, if you haven't already, and those of you that have subscribed, I highly encourage you to hit the bell so you guys can go ahead and take advantage of all that information that I have to share with you guys. So let's jump into this chart. The first thing is it broke through resistance, right? And honestly, this got destroyed from that point forward, fell to new lows, broke through the support, and here we are leveled off. So this stock honestly has a lot to work on in the sense of the bulls reappearing and breaking through these levels, right? This fell into bearish territory, and now the support levels and resistance levels are at new points. So first thing is the support and the resistance, and then I'll explain the 50-day moving average. So resistance is 64.83. If the bulls are able to break through that from 55.40 and use it as support, they can get back into bullish territory and break through new highs and break through other resistance levels. So that will be a big turnaround point. But before the bulls even get to 64.83, 63.67, if I can land right on it, it keeps jumping around. 69, 64. It's not letting me land exactly on 63.67, but 63.67 is the 50-day moving average. Once that's passed, I won't say that the bears have lost and the bulls have gained control, but it is a turnaround point, and if they break through this resistance level and use it as support, then the bulls can be on their way to getting back into bullish territory and leaving the bears behind and moving further away from the 50-day moving average in a upward direction. But 63.67 is going to be vital because that is what lets us know the difference between bullish and bearish territory. Obviously, the stock is in bearish territory here. It had a lot of jumping up and down, some highs, some lows. Honestly, at the lowest point of this stock reaching 52.55 and having such a broad range of 63.16, I mean, you could just see how the volatility and volatileness of this stock has been throughout the day. A lot of jumping up and down until it leveled out here at 55.40. The bears are going to want to break through 52.48. If they can break through that support and bring it below that, the bears are going to have this in bearish territory, moving it further away from the 50-day moving average and bringing it to newer lows. Now, two things can happen. The bears can continue to break through these newer lows, or the bulls can take advantage of the price anywhere down here and take advantage of that to bring it back up. So this is going to be very interesting to see how it plays out tomorrow. I'd keep an eye on it. If this breaks through resistance, it's on its way back to bullish territory. And if it breaks through the 50-day moving average, you'd have to really watch this carefully to see how bullish could it get, or was it just a moment that it broke it, but the bears are going to tear it back down. And if it's continuing to break through newer lows, I'd watch it as well, because the turnaround can come, or it could be a sign that the bears are definitely taking this one to newer lows further away from the 50-day moving average. So I hope you guys learned something new. Subscribe if you liked this video and you found it informative. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community.